radar again. We got another lipstick property here in Stone Mountain. So a lot of people are complaining, saying things like, yo, the inventory is mad dry, you can't find no deals. Look here, I found this property on Facebook, just like that. We bought it for 150 cash. I paid the wholesaler 6 stacks, just like that. We're gonna turn around, renovate this property in a matter of 3 weeks. We're gonna turn it into another beautiful deal, just like our other ones. So, take a look around, tell me what you think. Yeah, I'm about to knock out a couple calls. We're gonna wait on you.
You said what?
I said I'm gonna knock out a couple phone calls, but we're gonna wait on you.
Alright, cool, bet.
We're gonna run and buy a couple properties and head back over here.
Alright, bet. I'll be there in 11 minutes.
Alright, bet. Maria, what's up? How you doing? Is your last name Abercrombie? Is that it? Is that like the clothing brand or? Oh wow, okay. That's what's up. That's unique. Very unique. This is, I'm going to be completely transparent with you. This isn't even my first full year. I'm still waiting on my CPA to finish my taxes from last year. Because we just started the business last year. All my renovations are the same. I don't change not one thing. Now when I do change it, I get a contractor to come to the house and give me the estimates. And then I put that in my scope of work. And I think you can do that by going through my program. Because I introduce all of the ideologies, I introduce the process to you in its entirety. And then from that, you can sort of orchestrate your own little business. That's really why I stick to my blueprint, which is lipstick deals. Look, so I sold 3 houses in my first year, and like, you know, what am I doing? Why am I wasting my time? And so I quit. And it's a rigorous process, but yeah, all that stuff I can definitely knock out for you. We have Zoom calls on a weekly basis where I basically I show how I shop for my properties. Look, people are out here trying to make so much money off that one flip. That's cool, but there's a different route. I'm all about volume. So imagine getting 10 houses in a year where you're only making 20 to 40 racks. It's pretty much the same thing.
No, I rolled on the
On the side?
Yeah.
Oh, you ain't scraped nothing?
Nah.
Oh, okay. Nah. Yeah, I was like, oh snap. How you doing?
That was my tire.
That tire. Yeah, I'm just knocking out these calls, man. These people wanted to talk to me today, and I'm like, damn.
About the program?
Yeah. Ain't got no time to do it for real.
Make it happen.
Home Depot. Because I got this commercial car here. They gave me a few rewards cards where I can get some cheap gas filled up. Let's see if it works this time. Oh shit. Redeem up to 85 cents a gallon. Yeah, let's do it. So you can see right there on the sign it say $2.69. Right? But right here, I'm getting it today for $1.94. Fuck with your boy. Usually it's cheaper than that, but I'm gonna take that. That's a win. But the good news is it's on a slab, so I can't imagine there's gonna be too many foundational issues.
Come on now, I see a
You wanna open the door real quick?
Yeah, what is that? Hell no, I ain't going in there by myself.
So I tried to set her up. So I like to do this just to sort of get a general idea of how the foundation works. I don't see nothing too bad about it. We can side away with the roof. As long as there's no leaks in it, I'll leave it as is. Shit. But the important thing is there's no foundation issues. All this deteriorated wood and shit can be fixed just like that. All right, let's take a look inside. Inspector! Oh! Inspector! You ain't supposed to be in here. Get the hell out! Hello?
Oh, what the?
Woo! What?
Oh, hell no, dog. That's
What?
mold. Like, that's mold. Damn.
Yeah, this is, I'm gonna have to hold my breath over this bitch.
Damn. Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Oh, that's American Deli.
Definitely gonna hold your breath over here.
Jesus.
So, I like the fireplace. It's already white.
Yeah.
You know, it ain't bad.
Not for fucking 211 though.
10K, you staying here for a week?
Huh?
You stay here for a week for 10K?
Fuck no.
20?
Yeah. I do for 20.
20?
Yeah, 20.
20's okay?
20.
20.
We can clean it up though, right? We can clean it up.
Nah, you gotta leave it.
You gotta leave
You
it?
gotta leave it. Just bring
I
your,
don't know,
just
bro.
bring your blanket.
Break Blake now. I need an air mattress.
Can we get oxygen this time? Can we get the oxygen tank?
Is this shit? Damn.
That's probably what the stench is.
No. The stench is water or something.
You know, when black people see filth, they walk around the house like this. You know, you creeping around. Ooh, it's stanky here.
American Deli?
You already been up here?
Nah. Damn, bro.
Oh, it's a big ass master bedroom.
Oh, shit in the it's probably that. Looks like it's shit in the toilet.
So I'm just gonna take some pictures in here and send them to the client.
Oh, the after of this one gonna be stupid.
Yeah, I mean they could do a great job on
Yeah,
this.
this is light. This is a light job. I'll spend 2 racks on the cleanup.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I don't see no leaks on the ceiling.
Yeah.
This shit great. Yeah, it ain't bad. It is not bad.
What is it listed for?
180. This would be a good pickup for them.
Found out where Corona started.
Yeah.